4 класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Обо всем, что было вчера. Страница 78-79. English. Spotlight for homework. All our yesterdays. Page number 78-79. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 78. 78. All our yesterdays. Exercise number 1. Listen and point. Then sing and do. I wasn't happy yesterday. I was sad, bored, and angry. I wasn't happy yesterday. I was scared, tired, and hungry. But not today, not today. Today I'm very happy. Обо всем, что было вчера. Слушай и повторяй за диктором, следя по картинкам. I wasn't happy yesterday. I was sad, bored, and angry. I wasn't happy yesterday. I was scared, tired, and hungry. But not today, not today. Today I'm very happy. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Get in the mood. Were you angry yesterday? Yes, I was. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Get in mood. Изобрази, какие чувства ты испытывал. Were you angry yesterday? Yes, I was. Were you tired, angry, happy, sad, hungry, bored, scared yesterday? Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 79. 79. Exercise number 3. Where were they? Read and complete. Где они были? Прочитайте и дополните. The answer. Number 1. Zoo. Number 2. Theater. Last week, Larry and I were at the zoo. We were with my Uncle Harry. There were lots of animals there. Seals, dolphins, and crocodiles too. It was really exciting. Yesterday, Maya and I were at the theater. There was a really funny show on. There were dancers and clowns too. It was a really interesting day. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Now read again and match. There is one extra picture. Прочитайте текст еще раз и подберите картинки. Одна картинка лишняя. The answer. Theater, zoo, My dear friends, we must do exercise number 5. Write about the extra picture. Напиши о лишней картинке. The answer. Last week, Larry and Packer were at the cinema. There was a really scary film. There were monsters and aliens too. We were really scared. It was very exciting. My dear friends, do exercise number 6. Last night, play the game. Last night I was at the cinema with Julia Roberts. Last night I was at a party with Brad Pitt. Вчера вечером сыграйте в игру. Last night I was at a party with Britney Spears. Last night I was at the cinema with Angelina Jolie. Last night I was at the theater with Alla Pugacheva. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.